Go! Come on, Ken. Think about this.
Nice, Victoria!
Get it back now!
Push!
She did push.
Oh, she's literally on the ground.
Jerry, call for it!
Oh my God!
Good job, girls!
Come on, Mad Dog, turn it up!
Help out your goalie! Go.
There you go. You gotta come back and get it.
Stay with it, Victoria.
There you go.
There you go.
Look at that stick.
There you go. Keep going. Move quick, girls.
Look, guys, look!
Good. Get back, Tori. Get back.
Kenzie has her back touch her back and she's a pass. Shoot.
There you go, Scarlett.
Nice!
Scarlett.
Nice passing, Mad Dog!
That's right. Be decisive.
Let's get it back now.
I don't think it's 5-4.
I think it says 9. I don't know if it's actually 9. I think it says 9.
Yeah, and I don't think we had 4. I don't know. I just feel like, are they not paying attention?
I have no clue.
Maybe Kenzie scored 2. Oh, that's 4.
I think Kenzie has 1.
She scored 2.
But she- Good save, Lila.
Good job, Lila.
There you go. Come on, Clay, take it out. Good pass. Move it up, move it up. No one's open. They need to get open.
Someone! Yeah, exactly.
Oh, wait, that's not Clay.
Oh, come on, go to it!
Clay is wide open in front. Take it in, Clay. Take it in.
Nice. Good try, good try! Watch for that back.
So Jay.
Yeah, push her in the middle. Push her the other way.
That's good.
Nice
To the
job.
sideline,
Good job.
Scarlett.
Don't help her out.
Watch for the pass.
Look at 26.
There you
Right,
go.
you know what's happening. Go.
There you go.
Nice.
Come on, girls. Mad Dog, help her out.
Somebody help her. Look at all the green.
There you go. Way to fight through it.
Yeah, you're allowed to do that. It's just an important thing about it. They gotta move their feet.
Get it. That's yours, Mad Dog.
Mad Dog, don't wait for it. Go
There
to
you
it.
go.
Nice.
Good job. Way to charge it.
Nice.
You gotta wait. Look for the back.
Go, Queenie. Oh, Charlotte.
Look at the back, Chuck.
There you go. Who's going in front?
We're offside.
Didn't the girl come back?
Both are offside.
What's that?
Offsides.
Both teams.
Yeah.
Everybody's offside. All right.
Green, 2 back.
Shot. Yes! Woo!
There we go. Finding a little rhythm here.
Gotta get back in it.
Yeah.
Come on.
They need
well,
it.
not in it yet, but.
I think they can go down to the red line.
What does that say? You gotta look on your glasses. I can't read.
9 to 5.
I think my glasses are failing me.
It's not 9 to 5.
Who knows? I mean,
Yeah, the boys don't have they can only do the center. Yeah. They don't have that extra.
Come on, Kenzie.
Get some energy in there. Come on.
I keep thinking that is
Nice. Nice. That was a nice draw. Watch it back, Chuck. Watch it back, Chuck. Oh, Kens, come on.
You got it. Slow it down, Kens.
Look at it. It's all so crowded. Someone make some space.
There you
Nice
go.
shot, Schmilds.
Just call her Schmoods.
I'm sorry I call it Schmilds. And I know I don't know.
Do it again, Mad Dog.
Why is it 5 still?
I don't know. We're not going to know who won this.
Nice.
It should be 6.
That was a good draw.
Come on, Scarlett. Probably against Scarlett.
Oh, that's fine because that girl's looking at her phone.
Watch.
Nice passing. Put your stick up. Look for the middle, look for the middle. Look, she's running in. Okay. Look for the quick pass in. Get your stick in there. Look for the quick pass in.
Oh, Kent. Thought she had that. All right.
Come on, Mad Dog.
Somebody get open.
Move.
Kenzie, move. Get open.
Move your feet. Move your feet. She's
Watch the
coming
pick.
behind you. Go. Let her cause it. Nice. She's gonna try to. Nice. Nice. Way to cause it, Ken.
Our boy.
All right, Ken's good.
Breath, Ken. Take a breath.
Don't rush it, Ken's.
Look at Maddie or Jenna right above you.
Go. little more. She could have pulled her in a little more.
The restraining line is orange. Oh. It's not. The restraining line is blue.
Green is still
Yeah, then.
Green.
What are you doing? They're
Go,
not
GG.
moving.
Good job, GG.
Yeah, GG!
Go, GG.
Get the ball, get the ball.
Go, girls! Get back!
Move your feet the other way.
Good save, Lila. Got to be there to help her out.
Great job,